Alrighty, this is going to be a warm start and a couple Reveroonies here. Thought I was recording a minute ago, but I wasn't, so round two. Hopefully my neighbors don't get butthurt. So I was a little worried about these saddlebags melting to the muffler, but that hasn't been an issue yet, and if it was going to happen, it would have already happened, so that's pretty sweet.